Funny no.
We should see the guy because she and one or she.
Funny no.
Anyone with the one that you have my baby fan.
The phone is not there.
So we are careless.
It's not about me. What is it? What is
I don't care. But when you're man, I don't care because situation whereby you need to be careful. The phone is the biggest evidence on me who say I didn't happy with your house. Momaa so me nim narrow the tracker on the phone. Say you Pantana baby for who else?
No! Pantan know nothing about this thing.
Then the one that's about a demo my baby for food.
I never know what demo. So why you asking
me? Can I take the phone?
Why? Because minimum go to the phone I've been here the buy. Minimum go to the phone I've been here the buy.
Phone not doing it because that's the biggest evidence a police for me to me. So who be found say no phone shaha and that's the bush you need be friend there that she's nowhere to be found that. That's the reason why I brought the phone issue here. That's the main reason I brought the phone issue here. And they said, how can I take a phone and come here and talk to you? Say, my question baby, I would have been told you. Baby, son, you don't need to act carelessly. Don't need to act carelessly. They said, dear Penny, the phone in the home, didn't they? So because I also know who you're so I didn't know. We are dead. We are dead in Tibuabu. I'm not saying you're cold jail. I'm just done with this conversation. I'm going to sleep. We migraine about. Because you can't tell me so what the fuck.
You always get migraine issue. You always get migraine issue. I get migraine. You practice, yeah?
You're childish too. What are you saying? We go to see how your mental will be. This is not.
I said just shut up. Shut up over there. Shut up.
What are you doing? Who the phone is on the phone and that's only one man? What about the jam because I'm challenge. Police one man, my duty is a man on the family. I am going down with you. Period.
Jezebel just came into my life.
Thank you, there. You insult me there.
Jezebel, fear woman and save your life. Koko from Pokuaa.
Locked my ears, but I still hear you calling.
If you will, if you will, and then go, oh, you're almost happy. Wait. Abenaa, the way you know, woman, I shit.
Hey, dear. Mammy, I don't know, dear. Mima Musuana.
So dear. And
another one caught by and I didn't do a chabbing.
Now, so I'm
no cheers.
Oh, cheers, baby. One was soon also. Yea, Mama, yea, one said, oh, tell the cow, say, it's nothing. Now I do want to Mammy, have your book. So, that's not so close to you, son. Would it be bad, and they are going to be. Well, because Mama, dear, bro. I just see whom watch it, so by you. And I see a bammy bishop said, no brat, Missy, and I did buy. I beg all this and I see. Niba Bussa, Abenaa, Niba Bussa, so over him. I see over him. Joshua, I was in answer. So, yeah, dear, it's a simple one. Oh, can we better talk now? I don't know what. Yes, we need. Yes, so now my name is why if you do it? That's not what I Ye wait a bema for. Ye bema papa. Say been a here with fear. Move ba yet to say. 2 days have been never any. Ye for Father to go, Father to go. Father to go. No, sorry, I say. to now say you more fair.
Oh, me that's it. I wanna me year 1 or 2 be was from now my busy tino. When the mama for the company.
Yes, so
Mom read me back a cry.
Papa, you Janabra. Yay! Papa say be here so. Also ya, bibi say be bread fi o te dem ga tro.
You who sa wale ya sister was here na ni.
Opa, they so family no mama chum na me nye de be mi.
Now buy a beach on my own say is that how to welcome somebody in your house.
Oh my by my family some man chan. No nya ke to no we
talk about that.
Never no.
Me no mo ko kasa we talk about that.
I will some man
attitude. I was put jive that no jive. Boss level. It doesn't fit you. It doesn't fit. Mama. Our Abenaa was in the head. We don't want no pass and the gas.
Or the abaho. Or the nano abaho.
Man, the baby aboko by Tonia. The nano so second.
In Sakan, Eja.
What did the animal so so to books to be or for toddy and then cut the 2 books at the 20 yes. They say Banso catch himself at 30 or no, so for TikTok. So I call life in a 1 year just go when you're one coming. Yo.
So so we are now so many. So our ma, then so catch up at 30. Huh? Who pay 18? 18. I
throw the way one.
When you said to me, one more bond, the night, I come on. Abenaa.
If you have seen, I'm in a bush for so moody hackney, and you're fine. And I'm in a bush for me, Buffy, and me, Johnny Kosha guest room. Because we'll be able to be able to meet if you are. So, be any Momaa. You was an
then a year day. It was my bar. When one a wood not to know,
just a moment, you wouldn't quite a woman found.
I remember. Me banno. A woman in a room will not say, I don't, let us say, or not have a show and I will. When you will summons and wants to be me, I should be any dear. Hey, I've been received if I should be any baby. Yaban should be any other. What is 1 year to change? Yaban, dear, near. I know Yasaka. And then any event is as a cousin. And I knew, hey, yeah, baker, I don't see a benzuno. The idea now cost so to say at the coming so I could have it.
Discovery me the mountain to mean Bob Binton Jane by any roof. No, send a one who said you mean. I could have used to so it's a work with saying, would I can't with said, Dan, you said you see you in Tinny. Ya baby, yeah, dear, feel you feel if you have
my money, no reach.
Your minima sympathy away the walker. What are some never had or their father? So, presently,
maybe I saw a mobile fear hand say, what's the top bet in a head? I knew. What the moment now for someone, maybe one of the we are noble. Oh, my, in the new woman. Say,
Sabina brought 1 day see you know, Princess Anna and the banana.
Because mentally waited said the attendant, they are setting my mammy. Mentally, I make a city and I mean, and then if I don't move fear, I had the head and the goofy hand. I was a one even on my lawyers. I was a one even washing. I'm and I'm a catch. Oh, I'm encouraging me, say, we ain't for baby, and yes, there's a woman in a ball pass a cookie. Memma, I'm in a ball, because minimum good here. Teaching our mammy, I said, the material the near GP. Oh, and then all when you want to catch and some women were me pass a minimum home in a say. Now that I am a PU 55 never, I don't know who ignore me. Say, I know what I ignore me.
Me need your decision.
What's the one you want me in Ara? What's the one you want me in Arachi? And then I make clap at you. Shut. Me, man, if I love was there, I don't know yes, I can come if you can't come with me. Now, me, I never bet if you haven't catch us or bet my higher then. Now, what's your way then? What's your way then? I said, I don't want to be Filiana. But if you don't see my mouth for. Says, Nami Fatama, who call clear change, but then it is a mammy, I never did me, one never did me, my name, maybe never me peer and you me peer, and I can call police for our woman.
Say, yeah, wait. Yeah. Yeah, come in.
Wow.
Hey. Mr. Posse, I'm
so happy to come back home. Wow. Long time.
You know,
oh, make yourself comfortable.
I want that. Sit down, yeah?
Okay, sure. Wow.
You never give us any signal, say
Seriously, yeah, it wasn't my plan to come here.
Oh, okay, don't worry.
That's what I can't wait for you to be here at the UK, yeah?
Yeah, so
how are you doing, bro?
I'm doing very great. Yourself?
I'm doing great by the grace of God, yeah. So I got the almost to be an wine champagne.
Oh, for now I'm okay. I'm
okay. Oh, okay.
Maybe say yeah.
All right. So first of all, I was very happy for you to accept me back into the house because coming here was a problem. As one wants to start finding a crack.
Yeah, I want to say.
I'm making some little changes.
I said I'm going to fine. Assemblyman or one night. I'm what I say. I'm going to be like a sentinel. I'm going to be fine. That's what I said. Okay.
Yeah. So there's a big problem. I am the same car. We know discuss.
Oh,
some few days
problem.
ago. I wouldn't say problem, but then a little bit weird, Kaka.
On social media or what?
It is not a social media problem.
I'm sure you're okay.
And yes, social media problem. I'm not really okay, but it seems some few days ago, I'm afraid the phone. It was going through, but all of a sudden, I said, my phone switched off.
You mean your sister?
My sister.
Well, it's true, yeah.
Oh, now without some my sister, so
yeah, it's true, yeah. O sister no, o say, Pokuaa so na on phone name o Dubai because say na man for handle rent no o was same bi o issue o Dubai nti no so unya ba me kwa no me friend say me free agent bi so answer no I possible
wait nti sister kwa Dubai na one country
o say o find your man this time around ko Togo and I say Nigeria Dubai straight up
mostly yeah
to go Dubai. No.
Wait. Sister Jana phone or
what 20 year
which means say you use another phone and I said
you use another listen on say Ghana sim now with me issue Ghana.
But what happened to the phone?
See me sim now it's not about the phone. You feel it. Until I go Dubai now or you use different sim or you almost sim maybe yeah Arab sim.
Okay, fine, no problem. But then yeah, come to think of it, now I'm now so yeah.
Your sister's best friend, yeah, you know what it is.
Where's my missus?
I was there right now. So only in due to 1 or 2 conditions. Can the guy
a few days ago I was being attacked by some guys.
And the guy the guy was going to be the guy next to me. That's what I said. And our sister crossed on one bed and one bed. Yeah.
This doesn't really tell you about them. I'll take it like that.
That is what it is.
So you want to take your lead, right?
I would want to stay for some few days because Nami Baba they were around Project B, but it looks like for me to lodge around and stuff from Scar issues B, so I would want to stay for some time now. Me sorting myself out and I'm coming.
How long will it be?
Wow, yeah,
how long will it be?
I really can't predict the day, but some few days, like very few days. Why I can tell you that Mr.
Oh man, I have nothing to say.
Well,
I'm just a pass-by friend.
I even know where you are going to sleep because it's beside you. And drop on time, which is the maid, no, that one, no. We also sister issue that guest room.
I think something is burning at the kitchen. I would like you to come and see the gas for me, okay? Yeah,
There's a gas in it.
Yes,
yeah.
The way our chair room is needed, sister will have to come and make us.
Listen, it's not my fault. Just give me a minute, yeah?
This is not right. This is not right.
He can't stay in this house. What means now?
So, meaning so bad. People know what they say.
Screaming, me no make us because I can send the one point. It is a dinner day.
Let's have a plan. Make a chance on down, or make us one you don't. So they say,
what's what you told me?
One gin too. And make a chance at guest house. Guest house never has me. You know, 200 a day, 30 days.
You have money.
It's not about money. No, you have money. Oh, can you see how that's one?
Oh my God, see who is talking and you see can come that's one. So wow. Or baby and Cassie will see him going on it.
So, what should I do?
Sisi, your power is so suspicious.
I'm finding this and be another one time was not a man.
Okay, go talk to him. You are the man of the house. Go talk to him.
Wait, Jessica.
Relax him. Smile. Look at you. Is that what it's me? Yes, my face now. Let's go.
It's not my fault.
Sister, Dubai, without telling me.
You see, brother. Like so Ubeti me I'll lodge hall, but I am advisable and I sign your say my contact better hall and so I say.
But there's guest house around here, you can't guest house. Or you still want to lodge here?
No, guest house in the bit here.
Yeah, guest house.
And besides was a mass so here wow.
Maybe our contact, it looks like the way I'm more casano. Or no, I decided.
No. You know I'm not for sure.